I am Ankit and I am from BSc IT second year. Today I am here to represent my project with the help of I made the project with the help of HTML, CSS and JS under the guidance of Neeraj Singh sir. So I made a project with the help of HTML. Here's the HTML code. HTML gives the structure to the code. So and CSS is for styling the code. Here you can see that if I run the server, here you can see that there is a big div and the two circles over here which are uh, in infinite and change positions, and here is the image, and this is S2 tag and S3, and if I click on share my profile, there is JavaScript code is run. So thank you.